Making full use of the LG ThinQ App 1. Do you know of the lovely features here and there on the LG ThinQ App? Try them out and fully enjoy the app. Now, let's get started. Editing product cards. If you have added your products to the ThinQ App, you can edit the product cards shown on the home screen. Move the cards first. Touch and hold the card, and move it to where you want it. Next, change the size of the product card. Touch the top left menu icon on the home screen. And access App Settings. Touch Card Layout. And you can make it either bigger or smaller. Hidden tips on the home screen. Swipe down from the top of the home screen. Secret tips will be given whenever you swipe it down. If you want to know more about them, click on the buttons. Bringing up the menu. Swipe right from the left of the home screen. You can see the menu screen without touching the top left menu icon. Enjoy your comfortable home life with LGThinQ.